Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Getting the anti-cheat is not installed error when launching your game? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Here, how to fix it quickly. First of all, make sure your game is completely closed, including any background processes, open Task Manager, and end any tasks related to the game. Now, open the File Explorer and go to the directory where your game is installed. Look for a folder named Easy, Anti-Cheat, or similar. It's usually under the game's installation folder. Inside the folder, find the anti-cheat setup.exe, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then click Repair Service to reinstall or fix the anti-cheat software. Once that's done, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. If the error persists, open your game launcher like Epic Games, go to the game settings and select Verify Game Files. This will fix any corrupted files. And that's it, your game should launch without errors now. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the game.